Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Mom Story by Sana. Today's episode is very important and essential for every adoptive parent because this is the episode where we are going to talk about disclosure. Although we are just stepping into that stage of disclosure, but still whatever we know and whatever we have learned from the counselors and the people we know, we are going to let you know in this video. So let's get started.
You might have seen a lot of movies where the child comes to know that he's adopted and the entire family experience becomes sour, and then the entire purpose of the child becomes to find his biological parent, the birth parent. And in a flash, the adoptive parents who have been upbringing the child since now get swiped off from the screen completely as if they had never existed.
In this whole scenario, what we observe or what we understand is the child goes under an identity crisis because he or she is not able to understand who is he, why he is here, why he was being, rejected. And this feeling of rejection is really bad. And the entire, the experience becomes sore, as Rishu said. Why it becomes sore is because the trust factor between the parent and the child is breached, and then the child does not know whom to approach, whether he should go to the birth parents or he should, trust the adoptive parents. So it is always advisable to disclose the adoption to your adopted child from day one. So this is what happens in reality, that we are supposed to disclose and we should not hide it from anyone. So it's advisable not to beat around the bush and give false information or false message to the family or the society or anybody around you.
If you're staying in a society or a community for a long time, or you're going to stay there for a long time, don't miscommunicate, don't give false information. If somebody asks you repeatedly or pokes you about the child, his origin, just say that you have adopted the child legally. Beyond that, you don't need to disclose so much, or beyond that is not necessary. But yes, it's also not advisable to knock every door or take the loudspeaker and announce, "Hey, I have adopted a child." This is definitely not advisable because that doesn't fetch you anything. But what you need to do at the same time is disclose the adoption process to your child, who you are upbringing right now. So the question comes, when to disclose to your child that he has been adopted. There is no specific date or number of years that you need to do it, or probably don't need to wait till 16th birthday or 20th birthday where you can give, in film style, give a letter, bunch of letter or anything. You should not do that. The entire disclosure has to happen from the day one you are with the kid. It can be in different formats, it can be in different ways, but yes, start explaining the concept of adoption to your kid from the beginning itself.
So the word adoption has to become as common as anything like milk, curd, or clothes, or like school. Anything that is really common which we use in our regular conversations, the word adoption should become like that. So the question comes like, how do we disclose it to our children? So as I already said in the beginning of the video that we are still stepping into the first stage of it. So we have started disclosing to our child through stories. Like we tell her the story of Krishna and Yashoda, and then we tell her the story of Rani Lakshmi Bai and how she adopted her child and how she protected the child throughout the battle. So like this, we have started telling her stories. So apart from this, we have also created a short video of hers from the day we met her and till date. We have made a video of small snippets of how she met us and how she met the family members like her grandparents, her uncles, her aunts, and her cousins, and all her life stages, like what happened, like once she got the first teeth, or probably when she started walking. So like this, we have made videos. So you can also create a scrapbook if you want to do that. So these are the different ways you can disclose, and there are different books available in the market which is going to help you to disclose in the form of a story. So the books which we have, I'll just share with you. So one book we have is God Found Us You, which is the story of a fox. So I hope it is visible to you. And then one more book we have, Whose Lovely Child Can You Be? This is for slightly grown up kids, like who are 6 to 7 years old, who can actually read by themselves. So these kind of books are also available in the market. You can search in Amazon or in Flipkart. Once you Google, you will get to know many such books which are available, which will help you in disclosing the adoption to your child.
Or we have just stepped into this process now. So our information or our ideas are limited to what we have known from the counselors or what we have known from the fellow adoptive parents.
Correct.
I would request many adoptive parents who have crossed this stage where their kids are like more grown up, they are into teenage, how they have disclosed, so that we all get benefited from those ideas and we implement that in our life when we are disclosing, when we are in the process of disclosing the entire concept of adoption to our children. So I'll request, please comment, please share your stories with us, share your ideas with us, so that we can we can create another video with you, and we can get this journey, or we can take this journey a little more forward in an interesting way.
And this is going to help many adoptive parents like us, because it's something like every child is different, every family is different, but of course the idea of disclosure and the way it has been communicated before, this is going to help the adoptive parents. So we both humbly request all those adoptive parents who have crossed these stages to come up with comments, or if you are not able to comment, so please connect with us on our email ID, which is momstorybySahana@gmail.com. So keep watching our space, Mom Story by Sahana, for more videos on parenting and parenthood.